everybody. Hi, I'm Claudia. Thank you so much for opening the video. Today I have an opportunity for you. Would you like to live in a gated community? That's just about 10 minutes from Ocho Rios, 2 minutes from the nearest beach, or about 2 minutes from St. Anne's Bay. Ladies and gentlemen, I know you would, so stay tuned. Welcome. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for opening this video. I'm Claudia, real estate agent in Jamaica. If you want to sell or buy or build real estate, hit the subscribe button and remember the notification bell. Ladies and gentlemen, Drax POLO Villas. Remember this one? Yes. Again, this one started from nothing. Just look at it now. Yes, I'm so proud of this one. Wow. Those of you who took action, you're happy about now. Your name is on your title and you're getting ready to move in. You get to enjoy being close to St. Anne's Bay, Ocho Rios, just steps from the beach. And if you're coming in from overseas, the Knoxford Express literally almost is your neighbor, you know? So you can just drag your suitcase and you're right in your home. Ladies and gentlemen, this one, $265,000 US, 3 beds, 3 baths. It's an open concept. This one is at the end, so it's an end unit. So you also get to enjoy some additional open space. However, your border is right where you see this fence line on the left. All right. You also have 24-hour security, and you'll have access to a swimming pool. Do you want to live in the Drax area? You need to call me right now. 876-292-6776. All right, so the unit will come landscaped for you. You can put in additional flowers, plants, small trees. Ladies and gentlemen, it already comes fenced on the sides, so you will not be able to put any fence in the front. This community is opened, only 17 units inside, so you will know all your neighbors. We're backed up onto the Polo Club. This is where they do horse sports with horses. All right. Let us have a look inside. Comes with an open living, dining, kitchen, open concept living. So that door you're looking at, that's your master bedroom. And to the right side, you will have the other 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Let's have a look at the master first. You get a nice big standing shower, double vanity, double mirrors. No fighting around here. Look at the windows. Wow. You get a tempered glass for your shower enclosure. Looks like you get a rain shower head as well. What could you do in this master bedroom? All right, so your floors are porcelain, right? So I said them upgrade you to porcelain. Ouch. Alright. Look at the ceiling. You get high ceiling in this one. So it's pretty cool inside with high ceilings. So let's look at one of the other bedrooms. So this is the back bedroom, as I would call it. Comes with its own bathroom. As you can see, it's pretty spacious, comfortable. You also get a good amount of closet for anything you want to put in the closet. That looks like a shoe stand right there. Or you can put your towels, anything you want to put on it. You can sit on it and put on your shoes too. Alright, so this is the other bathroom. So this one will double as the powder room, but it's a full bathroom. This is the third bedroom, or the front bedroom, as we'd say in Jamaica. This is the front bedroom, guys. All right, as you can see, you also get good closet space. Ladies and gentlemen, you want to call me about now? Yes, call me now. 876-292-6776. Go into the description below and you will see the offer form. You can complete that. Send it back to me. This one is not going to stay. Remember, we're sold out. Only this one is available right now for sale. So your countertops are granite. You do get a breakfast counter. Alright, so this is your wash area. So you don't need to go far to do your washing. Washing machine and your dryer right in this space. You have everything at arm's reach. Ladies and gentlemen, remember to call me right now. Also, remember to subscribe so that you can get this and other great real estate. So I'm going to be heading outside now, and you can have a look at the grounds, and then I'll show you the swimming pool area.
Eight 292-6776. You want a house? Link Claudia Davis, man. You want a piece of land? She are the real big woman. Miss Davis, she are the real big woman. With she, you coulda never go wrong with she. You can own house and a van through she. You can own acre land. Miss D are the real big woman. With she, you coulda never go wrong with she. You can own house and a van through she. You can own acre land. She tell me pre-smart, pre-better. Get your own damn place so you prefer it. Dear me wife if you sign up letter car. NHT them a real trendsetter. Plus me don't get a youth of a member. Me son just on table in December. And she do construction too. She will build your house for you and you get it well rendered. Davis, she a the real big woman. With she you coulda never go wrong with she. You can own house and a van through she. You can own here car land. Miss D a the real big woman. With she you coulda never go wrong with she. You can own house and a van through she. You can own here car land. She now start it and left you there. Me a tell your brother, yes, she well prepared. And if you're meeting and no farmer panga wrong, she give you lawyer, brother, clear your fear. She a the best RST agent. She help the need if you stop pay rent. They don't care about mind, them just give me strength by steel and gravel and black and cement. Now me house that I build up on the eye. Me a save some me money gone up in the sky from. Me Claudia, me say me nah lie. Bank have money and me pocket never giant. Me swear for me life, say me son him have to fly so. Hypocrite pagan while we die. Uno can't stop Claudia Davis, don't try. Every day another house gone. I Miss Davis, she a the real big woman. With she you coulda never go wrong with she. You can own house and a van through she. You can own here car land. Miss D a the real big woman. With she you coulda never go wrong with she. You can own house and a van through she. You can own here car land. Yeah man, you know. It's Claudia Davis. Pick up yourself. Dance a like, subscribe, and share. Claudia Davis can get your house anywhere. Just be prepared without no fear.